Hi guys, welcome to CET2020 Mentors. My name is Ketan, and finally CET forms are out now. Here is a PDF. I'm gonna quickly walk you guys through this PDF. So the forms are out, and I think the date starts from today itself. So we're quickly gonna have a look at. So here is the index. ये PDF का link I'm gonna put in the description. तो आप वहाँ से download कर सकते हो. अगर आपने कोई C2C का ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया है तो उस ग्रुप में भी आ जाएगा. फाइन. सो हियर इट इज द मेन थिंग दैट वी हैव. सो ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर महाराष्ट्र MBA MMS CET 2020 starts from today. That's 10th January 2020. ये रही आपकी लिंक. इस लिंक पे आप क्लिक कर दोगे सीधा इट विल टेक यू टू द प्लेटफॉर्म. ये लिंक मैं डाल दूंगा डिस्क्रिप्शन में. यू कैन हैव अ लुक एट दैट. हॉल टिकट इज गोना गेट इशूड ऑन 1st of March. Exam date is 14 and 15 of March, and the results will be out by 31st of March. So by 31st you will get to know everything. Now यहाँ पे इन्होंने एक्चुअली कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए हैं जो आपको फॉलो करने पड़ेंगे प्रॉपर्ली, एंड मेक इट अ पॉइंट दैट यू फिल योर इन्फॉर्मेशन एग्जैक्टली. बिकॉज ये प्रॉब्लम हुआ था कैट में कि बहुत सारे बच्चों ने अपने परसेंटेजेस गलत डाले थे, तो वो इशू ना हो. अगेन रिजर्वेशन सेम है. 45% 45% रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ग्रेजुएशन एंड 50 फॉर दी ग्रेजुएशन फॉर ओपन का बच्चा लोग, एंड 45 इज फॉर कास्ट वाला बच्चा लोग. Here are the details for and this is the form filling ka price 1800 wala. Now let's go to an important the page out here, which is going to be your exam ka page. Now there is no change honestly, so you can see logical reasoning 75 marks, abstract 25, quants 50, which definitely includes DI, quants, DC and DS. Verbal ability and reading comprehension 50 per mark. Per question 1 mark, right? And total is going to be 200. Okay, so multiple choice will be there. 5 options. That's a different thing in CET. आपको 5 options आएंगे. There is no negative marking. Okay, the mode of exam is going to be online and 150 minutes. So guys, finally the countdown begins for CET. We are 2 months away from CET. Again, I'll reiterate, even if you're not able to, even if you didn't do very well in let's say ZAT and MAT, SNAP or CAT, you can still pull your socks, work hard, and you can actually nail Jamnalal Bajaj. Even it's possible, even if you start from today itself. There is no need to kind of get disappointed कि होगा नहीं होगा. Don't even think about it. होगा नहीं होगा वो बात की बात है. पहले तुम पढ़ाई चालू करो, सब कुछ होगा, right? I am gonna conduct my workshop in Nagpur this Sunday. So उसका details दिया जाएगा. Next Sunday को workshop will be in Nashik. So you can register for the workshop. It's a free workshop. Already we are done with Bombay, Pune and Aurangabad. ये Sunday को, which is 12 January, I am in Nagpur. 19 January, I am in Nashik. The link is given in the description, and register yourself for Nagpur workshop and Nashik workshop. So guys, here are the couple of more details that you really want to go through. यहाँ पे details दिए हैं आपके form filling के. So how you should be filling up the form, what all the data is required, what category you're from, all that stuff. So kindly go through this doc very well, and don't be in hurry to fill the form, right? So fill the form nicely and end तक मत रुकना फॉर्म फिल करने के लिए. 1-2 दिन में फॉर्म भर के अच्छे से रेडी हो जाना. ओके, सो गाइस, विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर CET from C2C Mentors. Make sure that you work hard and target JBMS only. That's it. Thank you so much guys.